electrode. We'll give that a try, see how that goes. Alright, I'm back. It's late. I went over to Jam It Buddies, but I think we've got a newer, better design that will incorporate the polarity, negative or null barrier polarity type sort of situation. Here we have the newly constructed bowls down. And if you look in there, you'll see that I've bought some erasers. And with the use of ultra black gasket material, have affixed them in places to the stainless bowl. Only 3 at the bottom. I probably should have doubled that, but I saved that for the middle null barrier between that and the top because I have this one. Well, I'm going to affix right there, which those should keep space from anything and keep that whole arcing thing that happened here. Was not a good thing. So, we're going to try that here in a moment. I'm going to construct something. I'll be right back. Alright, here we are completely constructed. Zoom in. Take a look. As you see, gasket material gave it up a little bit, but it's still keeping the spacing. Very nice. Very even around the outside. So we've got polarity, negative, and polarity. All bowls up, so they won't capture the gas and keep it in there and defeat the purpose of generating it. I think we're pretty close to go time here. As you'll see on the lid, it's kind of a moisture prevention measure. I did 6 holes around the outside on the first layer and only screwed the elbow into the second layer, so hopefully I haven't seen any gas blow by yet, but I haven't had a very good flow either, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, anyway, here we are. As you can see, we're charging at the 2 amp level. We're using distilled water, white distilled vinegar. We'll come over here to the chamber and we'll look. We've got positive high, negative low, and we got a whole lot of nothing going on in here. There is no activity whatsoever doing anything. Let's try jumping it up to 5. Hold for a moment. Here we go at 5. Let's see what we can see. And again, it's looking like a whole lot of nothing. Oops. There's a bubble. I'm not sure if it was just captured somewhere or not. We're getting some activity, but nothing like we're getting with baking soda. That was effervescence almost, but it's generating little lily bubbles. Not a whole bunch, but again, this is cold water. Seems to be speeding up a little bit. Starting to release. Okay, maybe it just takes some time. Needs to get used to it. Letting off fairly decent bubbles now. All around the outside. This new arrangement seems to be forming things on the undersides of the screens. Get over here so we can get a better look. Much bigger bubbles, not nearly as much effervescence. But check that out, bigger bubbles. Much bigger bubbles. A little bit of gassing on the inside. Let's give it some time to warm up and see what it'll do. And here we have the results of overnight conditioning. 8 hours or so. And we have 6 volts. Really low amps. There's the other one. There's the old one. There's HHO. That's our output after that much conditioning. If you like the whole distilled water thing, keeps everything nice and clean. And now for grins and giggles. Oh, pumped me up to 2 amps. See what's going on over here.